upstairs.
Where?
Yeah. Your Excellency.
Oh, no. Are you the carry go?
Yes, sir.
You are not still.
No, yeah.
How are you? Fine. Welcome. How are you?
How is that?
I thought it's Austin that was here.
Your Excellency, the executive.
Always there. But most importantly, one of the reasons why I came is to commend his committee through him as the chairman of the convention committee for making our party to be proud, for making our party today. Nigeria believes that yes, PDP has put themselves in the position to take over the affairs of this country. It was not easy. I know what he passed through. You know, as a young governor, he has not done his second term yet. We are leaving the stage for them. You know, he really, and his team performed creditably very well, Those who have not participated in preparing or organizing convention before may think it is an easy thing to do. And at the time, most people are expecting that it may not work out well for PDP. It not only worked out well, peacefully conducted, the best ever conducted since PDP started. So I believe that when people have done well, you commend them. When you give them an opportunity, they will put in their best. And that is one of the things I've come today to say, my brother, you've done well with your people. You did not put us to shame. And at least I can be proud to say, yes, when we argued that he should be given the chairman of the convention committee, most people thought that, oh, as a young governor, how can he have that? But you see, if you don't give people opportunity, you may not know the potentials in them for them to actualize it. And so today, Fintri has become a household name in Nigerian politics because of the convention conducted very transparently. So, my brother, thank you for what you've done for a great party. I have been here before, and I had followed him to one or two projects he was embarking upon, particularly the flyover and the bypass. As I was coming, I was speaking to Senator Lakawogo, and I said, you see the difference? When people are committed to doing work, you will see the result of it. Not people giving excuses. There's no state, there's nowhere you do not have problems. There's nowhere. Because while you came to govern, you campaigned, you knew there were problems that you are coming to help to solve. So you don't come giving people excuses again, you didn't know the problems were so much like this. No. Today, I served in the old Gongola state. I know here very well. So in my youth service days, I was there. So nobody can tell me about Adamawa. I know the place very well. And what I've seen, and with the state, how much does he get from the federation account? Yet, he is able to judiciously put them for the interest of our people, for the interest of the development of Adamawa state. If other people have done this within the city, he would have also moved on to other areas where that needs attention. So I want to plead with all of you to continue to give him the support. It is not easy to govern. Moreover, when you are in a place where you have a society that you have so much ethnic groups, so much, like my own, you know, like my own. We are over 40, 50 ethnic groups. You do this way, this one will say something. You do the other side, the other one will say something. So at the time, you're so much confused. You don't even know what to do. But with your support, you will see he will move on. Because without your support, it will be difficult. Because he may have good ideas, but you must have soldiers to implement those good ideas. Not just soldiers, committed and trusted soldiers, foot soldiers, not the soldiers that carry gun, but the foot soldiers like you, commissioners and special advisors. So I am happy with the working relationship, and I believe that he has also come to my state from time to time, and we exchange a lot of ideas and see how we can partner and cooperate amongst ourselves. Once more, thank you and God bless you.
Your Excellency, on behalf of the good people of Adamawa State and the government, I want to thank you and the rest of our colleagues, governors of PDP and other senior stakeholders in this party for giving us this opportunity to serve our party. Draw from their inspiration, and I know you are always there. I've always called on you when I'm in difficulties carrying out this assignment, and we embarked on it with my colleagues that were appointed and the subcommittee members that were also appointed to carry out the job. And God, through His wisdom, has seen us through. We have a stable party that is ready to take government in 2023. We must thank you for your thoughtfulness to come and on this courtesy call to appreciate the little we are able to do in carrying out this assignment on behalf of all of us. The assignment was not for Ahmadu Umar Fintiri. The success was not also for me. The success was for Nigerians, for the people of Nigerians, especially the younger generation, that we are able to position a party so that it can be an alternative to provide government for them in 2023, especially that the whole thing today is in shambles. And so I will expect you to continue to lend out these ideas, to lend out your support that you have always been doing to this party, so that we take over government in 2023 so that we can restore hope for the people of this country. Here, we've been doing our best so that we'll attract people into the party. And doing our best was through human development, through infrastructural development, and through doing the best that we know we can do to inspire and support our people. It's not easy considering the available resources, but through fiscal discipline and the elimination of waste in governance, we're able to save and put it into developmental projects, and that is why at least we may not be like rivers, but at least we are doing our best also in the Northeast. Despite that we are suffering and going through some challenges of Boko Haram and other criminalities in the state, but we also thank God in that aspect. Working with the organized security agencies, the military, and our local hunters and vigilantes, were able to bring it down to at least the single digits. That was not the same when we came in 2019. Me and you and others will continue to put our heads together as we have always been, particularly that we are not just colleagues, we are not just in the same party. We have discovered ourselves to be good friends and even metamorphosing into being brothers. This is what we need in this country. That is why I'm not a supporter of those who are calling for zoning of the presidency. For those that are calling for good candidates that can bring this country together and improve on the potential that is abound in both human and capital of Nigeria. But I trust that whoever that we are going to get for as our presidential candidate in 2023 will be the person that Nigeria wants, will be the person that understands this country, and will be the person that will be able to pull this country together and put her on the proper map of where she belongs in the Committee of Nations. With these brief remarks, my thanking you will be continuous, because I know what you have done during this convention. I know what you've been doing for this party, and I know what the party can also benefit from you. I will only call on you that we should continue to make these sacrifices that we have been doing, both with our time and our knowledge, wisdom, and the rest of them that God has endured us with, for the benefit of this party and the benefit of the people of this country. So on behalf of the people and the government of Adamawa State, we welcome you and we thank you for your courtesy and appreciation. Thank you, and may God bless you.
Your Excellencies approved the group photograph outside. Thank you.
But now that's almost finished. You wouldn't know what it was.
Exactly.
Yes, exactly. You understand me? You would have.
Exactly. This place used to be a major
You have also expressed similar.
Told you, people will make sure that we get the right candidate at the right time.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.